In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see delivery available in IKEA Online 2026. We'll keep it simple and use a bed frame as an example, but the same approach works for any product you're shopping for. First, open your browser and go to the official IKEA website for your region. If you land on a general page, choose your country and language so prices and delivery options are correct for where you live. Once you're on the home page, think about the item you want delivered. For this walkthrough, we'll browse to a bed frame. From the home page, go to the Beds and Mattresses section. Then, select Beds. This takes you to the full range of bed frames. Scroll through the options and find a design that fits your style, size, and budget. If you want to narrow things down faster, use the filters for size, color, material, or price so you only see what matches your needs. When you see a bed frame you like, open the product details page. This page is where all the key information lives, including dimensions, materials, care instructions, how many packages the item comes in, and whether assembly is required. It's also where you'll check delivery availability. Look for the section that explains how to get the item. On IKEA, this is typically labeled How to Get It or Availability. This panel lists the different ways you can receive the product. If home delivery is available in your area, you'll see delivery highlighted in green. That green indicator means the item can be shipped to your address following the usual delivery fees and timeframes. If you don't see the green indicator, delivery may be temporarily unavailable, or the site may suggest alternatives like in-store purchase or click and collect. Availability depends on your location and current stock, and it can change as inventory updates throughout the day. To make sure you're seeing accurate information, confirm that the website has the correct delivery area or preferred store. You may be prompted to confirm your city or postal code, and that helps the site show the right options. Also note that different sizes or colors of the same product can have different availability, so check the variant you plan to buy. That's all there is to it. By navigating to Beds and Mattresses, choosing beds, opening the product page you're interested in, and checking the How to Get It section, you can instantly see whether delivery is available. When you spot delivery in green, you're good to go. Use the exact same approach for any other product category, sofas, tables, storage, and more, and you'll always know your delivery options before adding items to your cart.